Hey, it's Brandon with WTI, and I'm excited to show you these Bluetooth headphones from Boean. On top of the great design and it being linked from ear to ear, meaning that it won't fall off and be lost forever, it has a ton of great perks. For me, the biggest perk is the battery life. Depending on how you use it, they say it can last for about 15 hours, but I can attest that it lasts for at least a full workday because I listen to music all day and I answer calls, personal calls on the headphones, and it lasts for me. The sound quality is awesome, both for the music and the mic while making calls, because I've never had any complaints. It's lightweight and the design is very comfortable both on and in my ear. And it doesn't hurt that the case is absolutely cool and stylish. I've had these for about 5 months now and there's been no issue with the quality, and to me it's just as good as day one. So if you're on the fence on whether or not to get these Bluetooth headphones, definitely go for it. You will not be disappointed, and that's my point of view.